Right, so it's now time to create some data for our practice, but before I do that, I want to show you some Excel magics, the Excel prediction of the next data based on the past trend. So I will just write two number here and I will show you something interesting. So I have mentioned 10 and 12 and you can see that the number has increased by 2. So I will select these two columns and I will keep my cursor here, click and drag my mouse down, and you will see that Excel has replicated my data based on the trend. Similarly, if I write here 3 and 6 and I select these two cells and drag it here, you will see that Excel has replicated my data with the same trend 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So each column is increasing by 3. And similarly, I can do the same for dates. So if I can write 27th of April 2020 and if I can write 28th of April 2020, and if I select these two cells and I drag it down, you will see that Excel has replicated the dates from that specific date to onwards. So this way we can quickly replicate our data in Excel using intelligence features of Excel. So I don't need date for now, so I will delete this column. What I will do is that I will select all of that and I will press my delete button in keyboard and Excel will delete all of that. Okay, so this is the quick way to arrange some data in Excel. In the next lecture, we are going to start some multiplication and addition and subtraction on this data. So let's begin our mathematics in the next lecture.